that I should vlog because I'm currently in this beautiful hotel room eating tacos, taking a break from this event that I'm working. It's with Bruno Mars and Anderson .Paak. Like, what is my life right now? I don't even know. Oh, cool. Oh my god. What? Look at my fit.
I think we've gone too far out of our mind, and I'm not sure if what we said is real or not, but I'd rather be delusional than have a broken heart.
I don't know what vlog this is going to be a part of, but I have to film tonight because it's iconic. This is the fit. It's Taylor's birthday and we are celebrating it at Nobu, Malibu. We're excited. This is from Amazon. I'm feeling so girly. Let's go. Yay! So we're currently pre-gaming Nobu. Come hither. Gianna's a natural on the vlog.
Oh, stop.
Comment below if she should make her own channel.
Super pre-gaming right now.
We're pre-gaming Nobu,
cutting board,
which is the way that normal civilians do it. A little cheese and crackers. Oh god, they're so cute. Nice.
Happy birthday!
Morning. Welcome to a day in my life. It is currently, what day is it? Hold on. Wednesday, July 27th. It's my mom's birthday and I get to see her this weekend. We have a huge family reunion in Fresno, so that'll be a whole thing. But today is just a typical day in my life here in LA. It has been a fun week. We went to Nobu on Monday. So good, and it's actually like, it's expensive, but you're like paying for the whole atmosphere and everything. And Diplo, Camila Cabello, and Noah Centineo were there and they were all together and I'm like, what an odd mix of people, but felt so cute that night. And yeah, it's been a good week. I've just been trying to like get a lot of rest because my life is so go here. I just got another job, a lot of things going on. I told you that I got hired as a flight attendant. Sadly, they reached out to me and said that they had to cancel my training class and we could either wait till the next one because it's supposed to be in September, or I could apply for Alaska Airlines. So I actually applied and I got an in-person interview that'll happen in a few weeks. I have to fly up to Seattle for that, which is actually crazy. So that'll be right after my New York trip next month. Life has been crazy. I've been trying not to let it like overwhelm me, but nannying has been fun. It's exhausting, but it's fun. So today is just a normal day. I got up, had a slow morning, did a couple things. I'm gonna go get my mom a little birthday present. I'm gonna go to Goodies. I'm currently in Atwater Village and I wanna go to Whole Foods and get a sandwich. I have been jonesing for like just like a good cold sandwich, and then I nanny in about an hour, and then tonight we're gonna watch The Bachelor and we're gonna go see Nope. So today is a fun day. I love the people I live with so much. I have a lot of fun things coming up, so let's go to Goodies. Okay, Goodies was a success. I got my mom this cute little honey pot because I've been telling her that she needs one for her tea, and this is it. It's so cute. A little wooden guy, and then I got, to go with it, I got this little, oh my gosh, I got this little honey stick to go with it. So super cute. I'm going to do something bigger later. And then I got this card that says, "Thanks for always picking up the phone, Mom," because I thought that was funny and very accurate. And then I went to Whole Foods and it wasn't the one that has like the build your own sandwich, so I just got a turkey cheddar. I'm gonna eat that. I have to leave for nannying in like 10 minutes. But I got a package. Jack's Vintage Goods. Oh, these are my hats. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I ordered 2 hats from Etsy because I don't know, I think it's cool to like get like a couple retro hats. Not Etsy, from Depop. Guy named Jack. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So ironically, I told you about my Alaska Airlines stuff. I don't know, I think this was before I knew I was gonna be applying to Alaska Airlines, but it's this cute corduroy cap. It says Alaska Cleaners. Oh my god, this is adorable. It's probably gonna be too big. Yeah, it's too big right now. Got this cute Coca-Cola hat because I've been wanting to collect some more trucker hats. So these are fun. I love finding stuff like this on Depop, but I thought the Alaska one was just so cute and funny. Okay, so cute. I look like the American flag. I'm gonna need to fix this bill a little bit. Cute! Hope she gets hired by Alaska Airlines. Okay, so ran my errands. I'm going to eat this sandwich. I'm so sad. I really wanted like a build your own, but you know, do what you gotta do. I also need to get my movie ticket for tonight. Turkey cheddar. I'm such a simple gal. I need my mustard. I can't eat a sandwich without mustard. Gorgeous. Also, my new latest obsession has been Celsius energy drinks. I've never been an energy drink person in my life, but nannying and the heat in LA and being so busy, I like can't consume coffee 4 times a day. So I've been switching to Celsius and I actually really like it. Okay, so I just got home from nannying. It went so well today, and I made some Trader Joe's pizza. I'm trying to get everything in my fridge before I leave for Fresno. So I just did the pizza dough, the pizza sauce, burrata, basil, red pepper flakes, oregano, garlic. And yeah, this is like my favorite meal ever. So good. I'm watching Vampire Diaries. I think people are coming over soon to watch The Bachelor. I'm so excited to see Nobu tonight. I'm ready. So magical. This is so magical. Yeah. Wait, massive talent. That's actually my movie poster. Yeah.
I was here when you got here?
Yeah. Sleep in the bedroom.
Sunny, can you say hi to the vlog? Oh my goodness. So my upstairs neighbor has this dog, Sunny. Sunny, come here, come say hi. Yeah. And we went to Courage Bagels this morning because Thursdays are my lucky day to go. What's crazy is I saw Arden Rose and Will there, and I've like watched them since like the OG YouTube days. And I actually saw them last week when I had my Shawn encounter. Something in the universe is like, you're gonna meet all your idols. But I've watched Arden and Will like my whole life, and they're so cute. But I love Arden's book, even though it came out like 5 years ago or something. And I went up and I was like, I just have to say I love your book. Right, Sunny? Right? She was like, what? And I was like, almost adulting, and I totally stuttered on the name because it's like a tongue twister. And I was like, I've read it so many times and I just had to say I love it. And she was like, oh, thank you. And then she she complimented my outfit, and that was so cool. But I was like literally sweating because it's so hot out and I was wearing a sweatshirt. I wonder if Thursday is their lucky day to go to, where there's also no line. But my roommate's my neighbor's dog just came home with me, and he's like, this is my house now. Sunny, do you want to go home? Are you gonna go home?
Pronto. Hi. How are you?